All new here at 10, Blue Cross Blue Shield and Christus Health are currently locked in a contract dispute and have 20 days to come to an agreement or leave many East Texans out of network, impacting clients' care. CBS 19's Robert De La Garza has more on what both sides are saying and how it's already affecting families in the Piney Woods.
You may have received this letter saying Blue Cross Blue Shield of Texas and Christus Health are in the middle of tense negotiations.
And it says it'll terminate July the 1st.
If there's no agreement by then, Christus could be out of network for Blue Cross members, a move that would mean higher costs for care for families already on a fixed income.
It would be very costly, and we would have to change doctors because we couldn't stay with Christus because of the expense.
Tracy Hitt and her husband Jeff have both relied on Christus Health for years. Now they're worried about what this means for their care and their wallets.
To lose the primary coverage that Blue Cross Blue Shield offers on the physical therapy would be tremendously stressful, daughter-wise.
Jeff just had his third shoulder surgery after years of hard labor. He's looking at 10 weeks of physical therapy twice a week.
Extremely crucial for this recovery process. I don't think I can recover correctly at all without that.
We reached out to Christus Health and Blue Shield Blue Cross of Texas. Here's what they had to say. Christus wrote in part, quote, "Despite months of negotiations, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Texas has so far been unwilling to seriously consider Christus Health's request for equitable reimbursement rates to cover the rising costs of providing quality health care," end quote. And Blue Cross says, "Our goal is to protect our members' and customers' access to quality care at affordable rates. If we cannot reach an agreement, our members will continue to have access to a network of doctors, healthcare professionals, hospitals, and facilities throughout Texas," end quote.
It's going to hurt lots of people, lots of people. I mean, Tyler depends on Christus because they're so large.
But Jeff isn't the only one needing care. Tracy's next in line. She's scheduled for back surgery soon.
And go through all the MRIs and all that again. And I'd have to find a new family doctor that I trust. It would just be a lot. Start all over again.
They're holding out hope that both sides come to a solution before July 1st.
Well, we're counting down to the end of this month rapidly. It just brings more and more of the anxiety.
We need them to do something soon and let everybody out here that's so worried about it have an answer.
Reporting in Tyler, Robert De La Garza, CBS 19.
Blue Cross ensures that if you're pregnant or seriously ill, you still can get in network care at Christus through continuity of care.